Alright, I wanted to do a quick unboxing of the Milky Mama stuff that just came in today. Hey, you want to open it? Oop, she wants to eat the box. There you go, let's see. So, what do we have? Oh, they gave me a bracelet. You want to hold that? You want to hold that? Thank you. Alright, so, got some more pump and punch. These ones are really good. I've only been using about half of the bag each time. Usually once a day. You can do twice a day, as it says right there. I don't like super sweet stuff, so I mix it in a lot more water than the 8 to 12 ounces. I do about 16 to 20. And it's sweetened with stevia, so that's really good. Not a lot of sugar in there. Come on, baby. Come here. Oh, don't eat that. What else do we have? What else? Let's see. Got some cookies. Peanut butter chocolate chip. I'm so excited about these two because I've only tried the oatmeal ones. The oatmeal ones are pretty good, but I'm crazy for peanut butter. They're pretty soft, not too soft. Oops. Making goodness. Yeah, I'm excited about those. There's a lot. I usually stick a few in my pumpkin bag. Hi! You can't have these. I'm sorry. My pumping backpack is where I stick those for when I want a snack. And these are the ones I'm really excited about. The emergency brownies. I've tried their regular brownies and they're super good. No, you can't have these either. Hi. They're super good. So I'm assuming these are probably going to taste pretty similar. But all the reviews say that they help a lot more than the regular ones, so got that. Emergency brownies. Oop. And this is back. So I like that it's only 250 calories per brownie. They're pretty filling. That's just my opinion. But yeah. That. What else do we have? We've got another sticker. I now have 3 of these stickers and still need to put them on something. And then, hard to open these with one hand. So sorry. Oops. Yep. Okay, well, this is the Dairy Duchess one that I've been taking. Just a refill on that one. I know, sorry. It's a refill on that one. I really like it. It's helped the most. And then just another one. So I got 2. So I got a couple months supply of stuff. Oop. Let's see. You want to see? Hey, look. Oop. Alright. Say thanks, Milky Mama, for helping my mom feed me. Alright, bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.